What's up, guys? Today I have a 2006 Ford F-150 with a 4.6 engine. Customer complaint was crank no start, didn't start at all. The battery doesn't hold a charge, it needs a battery. So we started off with the jump pack, and when you turn on the key, take a look at this. None of the lights come on. Nothing. Got security lights flashing. Try to start it. Nothing. So, what I started with was I went on this side where the fuse box is located. And I started testing all the fuses. I found a few broken fuses. Found a few burnt fuses. Not broken, burnt fuses. Replaced them. And this fuse right here goes to the security system. I started by testing that. Nothing. I don't remember which fuse went to it. I think it was one of these. One of these went to the security system, I don't remember. Found a bunch of burnt fuses, started testing here. And yeah, I couldn't figure it out. You know, I was given all the power, so most of the sections were holding ground. So I said, well, why don't I just put in the scan tool? I did think it was the throttle body, because the throttle body was making noise every time I just put on the key. It would just fluctuate like crazy. But so I disconnected it and I pulled up a B1681. Let's see, so you can see it. B1681 passive anti-theft system, the PAT system. So get back to it and show you guys kind of the testing I did. I went to the PAT system, which is located right here, unplugged it. Let me give me 1 second. There we go. Unplug this little thing, and the red and yellow wire that's located right here is supposed to be the power supply. So I don't know if you guys are gonna see this. We got some pins here. I put this, nothing. Oh no, it's the gray and orange wire. I think that one turns on. The key's on. Yep, so this one, this red and yellow wire supplies power. When the key is on, this is the main power supply right here. Now, watch what happens when I go on this black and light blue wire. 4.4. The power probe isn't telling me if it's power or ground, nothing. So, what I know how the system works is that it needs power and it needs ground. I don't have any ground at all on anything. It's black and blue wire, no ground. So of course the PAT system isn't gonna work with no ground. So let me plug that in and I'm gonna show you guys kind of how it is. So this, let me see. So it's this wire right here. This black and blue one. This one didn't have no power at all. Right there. No, I mean, it didn't have no ground. So I went to the system right here. And let's turn this on. Right here is the PAT system right here. So red and yellow. has power, and then another one, gray and orange, has power as well. I think this is a communication system right here. So right here, the black and light blue wire right here doesn't have ground. So what I did is I went right here, and this is on exclusively on Identifix. And click right here, and it's going to tell me where this ground is. It's the left hand A pillar.
Sir. What do I owe you?
Sorry about that, I had a customer here. So I went here to the location of where that ground is. It said on the left hand pillar. Now, where I already know where it's located. Boom, right there. G200. That's where the ground is located. We're gonna test it. So what I did is I already have my wire piercer set right here located on this wire. And of course it's a black and light blue. Look at where it's located. It's all rusted, chewed up. So what's neat with the power probe, like I've said in all my previous videos, is you can apply direct ground. Boom, there. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Plug this in. Boom. Key is on currently right now. Boom. Everything. All the lights on the dash, everything comes on. The system. The light's still on and it turned off. Starts right up. Now I do have the throttle body disconnected. When I remove the ground, light is on. Nothing. No light. So what I'm gonna do here is relocate this ground, probably put it up a little higher, somewhere up here, clean it up so it's got good contact, and put everything back together. And yeah, so sometimes you just gotta stick with the basics. Just power, ground, make sure. And that's another fix right here.